Before we get started, more info in the description below. We have a 3-day hands-on tiny house building and design workshop in North Carolina. RelaxShacks.com has those details. Hey, what's up, Deke? RelaxShacks.com, Odd USA, 15 other channels. Posting this one just for fun. It's a short little video because I'm hoping you guys can maybe help me figure out this mystery. Who is this mystery woman you're about to see? I'm just curious. By the way, before I get to it, here's the locker I found, but in the background is a tiny little trailer, about 4x6. We're going to build something at the top. I was going to sell the trailer, but I figured, nah, that's too easy. I'll build something on it and see what I can do and put 5 times as much work into it. Like a little tiny mobile art studio on wheels. So stay tuned for that at some point. Here's another thing I found recently. It's an industrial locker that was out in the curb. And these things I can flip easily for 50, 60 bucks once I clean them up or more. Cool thing is it still has a lot of like the cutout comic strip cartoons, postcards, and this on it. You wonder when this photo was taken, who it is, and where they are now, if they're even still alive. I'm thinking it was like some actress, some dancer, someone half famous, because it says, where is it? Tom. You look down here, something Field, maybe? I-E-L-D. That's an S. Susie Field. I'm going to have to look this one up. But it's like barely hanging on to the locker. That thing looks like it was taken in the 50s. Bunch of random newspaper cutouts. I don't know what the heck some of this is. I like the old high school looking industrial lockers. Chemicals negative, developing cans, tongs. So someone who developed film. Some old Far Sides. Gary Larson, love that stuff. This weird, who knows what this once was. Polaroid, kind of creepy. Looks like a pile of Cool Whip in the woods. Maybe it was someone in a dress once upon a time out in a field or in a garden. Guessing maybe the guy that owned this was named Fitz. But I'll clean it up. If I don't use it, I'll sure as heck sell the thing. It was on the side of the road. Son and I on our way to do some errands at Home Depot. We got delayed because I had to stop, throw on the roof, and rope it up. Easy pizza money. The only thing that stinks is the handle's busted. I don't know if that's something we can fix. I can rig something else for it so it looks respectable and works. But it's a little bit of a pain to open right now. Yeah, for like hanging photos, I guess. Not really sure. But there's another thing we found recently. I will turn it into cash for my own personal storage locker.